Hey, what's up guys? Paul Ferrace here. We're out here in VIalno Beach today. I came over here to this little walkway over the marsh and the river, or actually the intercoastal's right there, and dumps out into the inlet right there into the ocean. But anyway, yeah, we're trying to get some lightning. It's been popping off, so I just came out here to see what we can get. I'm running a time lapse right now. I am at 3.2 seconds, f16, ISO 100, but the light's fading fast, so I'll ooh, some nice lightning back there. As the light fades, I will bump up my exposure time and see if we can get any strikes. But yeah, thanks for coming along and let's jump into it. Hey, what's up guys? So it's getting a little darker here. We bumped up to 10 seconds, still f16, ISO 100, so we should be able to catch them now if anything pops. We had some stuff moving in from the east, so I'm kind of facing southwest because that's where the front was. Oh, but yeah, just popped off again, so I might switch over. There's a cool little house over here. I don't know if you can see it, but it might make a cool photo if there's some good lightning. It's like seafoam green, and the light's perfect right now with the kind of the blue hour. They have the interior lights on. Anyway, I might mess with that. But otherwise, yeah, we're bumped up to 10 seconds. So any lightning comes through, we will catch it. Yeah, all right guys, I'll check in soon. Thanks. Hey, what's up guys? Paul Ferrace. We're on day 2 here. We're heading out to, I think I'm gonna go to Iguana Preserve and hit the beach because there's a bunch of storms coming through. So I'm gonna try to go get some more lightning. I got a shot in mind with like the ocean, sand, lightning, and storms. So yeah, see if we can go execute and yeah, see if we can do it. All right guys, thanks for sticking with me, coming along. Let's get into it. Hey, what's up guys? So we ended up getting a little color here, so no lightning yet, but at least we got some nice clouds. So I think I got a pretty cool sunset picture here. It's like pink and orange, and just pretty simple with the reflections on the water and the ocean. So looks pretty cool. I think it came out decent. You let me know, I'll throw it up. But yeah, we're just gonna hang in here, wait for some lightning. I think there's a few cells coming through, so fingers crossed, and we're gonna hang in there, see what we get. All right guys, let's do it.